In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Invideo A for TikTok videos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank canvas to a polished, scroll-stopping vertical video that fits TikTok perfectly. First, head to the Invideo AI website and sign in. On the dashboard, choose Create Video, then select AI Video Generator. This is the tool that drafts the heavy lifting for you: script, clips, voiceover, and on-screen text, so you can move fast without sacrificing quality. Before you type anything, set the format to 916, also known as vertical. This is crucial for TikTok. Vertical framing fills the screen, avoids black bars, and ensures your text and key visuals sit in the safe area where viewers' thumbs and UI won't cover them. If you can, glance at the mobile preview to confirm everything lines up. Now craft a clear, specific prompt. Think about the goal, the vibe, and any must-haves. For example, you might say, create a TikTok video promoting a hair curler, make it aesthetic and engaging, include captions, and use upbeat music. Or make a motivational TikTok with bold text and cinematic clips. The more precise you are about tone, audience, and outcomes, the better the AI's first draft will be. When you're ready, click Generate and let the tool assemble the script, media, voice, and text. Once your video appears, refine it. Trim clips to tighten pacing, replace any footage that doesn't fit your brand, tweak on-screen text for clarity, and nudge timing so key moments land exactly where you want them. A power feature here is AI commands. Type short instructions like make this shorter, add captions, or make it more energetic. The system applies those edits automatically, which is a huge time saver. Add captions next. This is very important because many people watch without sound. Open text or subtitles, enable auto captions, then style them so they're bold, large, and high contrast. Place them where they won't clash with stickers or UI. Do a quick scan to fix any transcription errors. Choose music that feels trending and energetic, then balance levels so the beat supports the voiceover without overpowering it. A subtle dip under dialogue usually works best. Keep the whole piece short and punchy. Aim for 7 to 15 seconds. Lead with a strong hook in the first 2 seconds, deliver the core message, and finish with a simple call to action. When everything looks right, export in 1080p, download the file, and upload it to TikTok. That's it. Your AI-assisted TikTok video is ready to post.